Hey chemistry students, welcome to your tutorial on determining the number of subatomic particles, isotopes edition. Now remember, isotopes are atoms that have a different number of neutrons. So we're going to remember that as we go through these examples. So number one, thorium-234. So TH stands for thorium. This 234, remember, tells me the mass number. So thorium-234 has an atomic number of 90, and we are asked to calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now remember that the atomic number and the number of protons mean the same thing. So those will always be the same. So if my atomic number is 90, so is my proton count. Also, if it's not stated as having a charge, we're going to assume that this is neutral, meaning that the number of protons and electrons will be the same. So now we have our number of electrons. So when I want to find my number of neutrons, I'm going to go ahead and kind of set this up the chemical representation way, where I have my mass number up top, my atomic number on bottom, and then my chemical symbol out to the side. When I want to find my number of neutrons, I simply subtract my atomic number from my mass number. So 234 minus 90 is 144. So I have 144 neutrons in thorium-234. Okay, number two. Oxygen-18 has an atomic number of 8. So given this information, calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So my atomic number is the same thing as my proton number. It wasn't stated as having a charge, so I'm going to assume that it is neutral, meaning that my proton number and my electron number are the same. So I have 8 electrons. To find my number of neutrons, I'm going to do my chemical representation, where my mass number of 18 is on top. My atomic number, or my number of protons, is on the bottom. And the symbol for oxygen is just O. So when I want to find my number of neutrons, I simply take my mass number and subtract the atomic number from it, and when I do, I get 10. So I'm going to fill that in right here. 10. All right, thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. I welcome all questions.